Next message.
Your Norwegian phrase of the day is devastating. It's a tough world. I love it.
End of message. To reply to it, press 8 to message deleted. Next message.
Your mother calling to see how you're doing. Monday afternoon. Didn't know if you were working today or not. I'll talk to you later. Had a good time yesterday at the party, did you? It was nice seeing you. Bye-bye. Love you. Yeah.
End of message. To delete this message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani, and I was wondering when you were coming and what are we going to do? So please call me back. Bye.
End of message. Message deleted. Next message.
It's a struggle in this world. I put it at the beginning so that you wouldn't have to listen to the whole message when you heard it. But that's what I did with Mom. Mom was in the kitchen one time, and she said, she turned around after asking me how I was doing. She said, well, devastating the business. It's a struggle in this world. That's what Grandpa used to say. Now, I stood up and I put my voice deal on my phone and said, say it again. No, I said, I say it, but I said it into there. Devastating the business. And every time I wanted to say it, I listened to it. Devastating the business. Devastating the business. And it took me forever, but finally, I used it so damn much that I got. But I wasn't going to call you back. I don't like to call you tonight because you and I are both windshield men, and I figured why talk politics when we're at home, when we can do it when we're sitting on our tail looking at the road. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. I wanted to talk to you about Obama and his comment. God, I got my blood boiling when I heard it. Before everybody didn't win, but that chunk that they're showing about him shovel-ready job.
End of message. To delete this message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani, and I was wondering what you wanted to do with me, and if we are going to do it today. So please call me back. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Dan. Are you coming for dinner? It's 4:30. I know you're working. Juliana's birthday today. If you did get down this way, I'll send her some bread and buns and jelly, and that'll be her birthday present. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Dan. It's your mother. Just calling to see how you're doing. And just finished moving Betty. She's comfortable over there in that new settlement. And a big job moving. How are things going for you? I thought you seemed a little tired yesterday. And I'll talk to you later. Love you. Bye-bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani, and I just wanted to say that my mom said that you could hang out with me, but you could only have to get home, and if you wanted, you could also hang out here. So you could hang out here if you wanted, or take me until she gets home. So please call me back. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hello, this is Apple. The Multnomah County Library just called, and the stuff for Noelani is ready. Bye.
End of message. To delete message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Danny, it's your mother. I'm just wondering how all the plans are going. I'm over here at Panor 503-981-3785. And I'm baking bread and stuff today and making a cake for Kim because his birthday's on the 11th, but I'll give it to him at the wedding, I think. You know, he can take it home and eat it in his spare time. Anyway, honey, call me, tell me what road to take so I don't get lost when I'm coming up there. Talk to you later. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani, and my mom was wondering what you wanted to do, and I was wondering if you could let me watch Harry Potter if I go tonight. So please call us back. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Dan, this is Larry, Cindy, and Zach. We're just calling to give you congratulations. We sent you small clips of the wedding, and it looks like everybody had a good time. It was a very nice wedding. Wish we could have been there, and our best to all, and we'll talk to you later.
End of message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani, and I was wondering what time that we were going to go fishing. Josh thinks we should leave at 8:30, and I think 8:01. So I think that we should also leave at 8:15 because that's in the middle. So please call me back. Bye.
End of message. Message deleted. Next message.
Hi, this is Noelani. I was just wondering if you called my mom, so please call me back. Bye.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Dan, it's April from Dr. Bob's office here.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, I was wanting to know what you thought of Obama's speech yesterday. I watched news when that broke out, and I watched it. My thoughts were, he almost, I said before that I think he's too into himself, and I really felt that last night, in that, you know, he was kind of coming out with that speech kind of like Reagan used to do. One of the ways Reagan would get the Dems to do what he wanted is you go on TV and tell his people, you know, you got to call and help me get this done, and then, boom, you know, all these phone calls would come in, and he'd get the Democrats to curve. But Obama doesn't have that power, and as I was watching it, I'm like, God, do you really think that you are that great? And I thought, well, you know, he's the first black president. You know, how would he not feel like he is the great? And I said it before, that cockiness is going to kill him. And I just, after last night's speech, I agree with that even more now. And I love Bader's speech. I thought that was the best speech Bader's ever given. And he looks like he is really like on point. I know this is the last time I seen him too. He used to be, I think, drink too much because he used to have big bags under his eyes all the time when he was doing all his crying sessions and everything when he got voted in. But it looks like he is focused and on task and at the top of his game right now. Anyway, I was just going to get your take on those speeches.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hey, Dad. I'm off for the next 5 days, thank God. I'm going to work on my house for the next few days. That show I was watching last night was incredible. It was a Thomas Jefferson biography, but it was just remade, you know. So it was, you know, not one that I'd seen before. And then it went right into another presidential deal. I don't remember if I said the name of it.
Message deleted. Next message.
Hi, Dan. This is Marcy. I'm trying to find out whether Noelani and Timmy are going to be home, and I'm trying to find out before it gets dark because I don't want to have to go over there if they're not going to be there. Could you call me, let me know if Noelani is with you? I'm at 232-4690. Thank you. I've been trying to get a hold of them at Timmy's 2 numbers and no luck. But could you call me, please?
End of message. To delete this message deleted. End of messages. Check erased messages. Press at the tone. Please record your message. When you have finished recording, press pound.
Dan's Life, July 30th, 2010, 11. Off by a year. That's it for now. Bye.